Hey everyone, welcome to Valor. Today I'll show you how to fix a connection issue. Okay, restart the Valorant client to reconnect. Open the Start menu and type Services. Open it. Look for VGC. Here it is. Right-click, select Automatic, hit Apply, then OK, and start it. Wait for it to start, then close the window. Next, open System Configuration in the Start menu. Again, look for VGC. It's usually near the bottom. There it is. Make sure it's checked. It should say running here. Since you started it, click apply. That's it. This was Valor. Restart your computer after this. Done. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye.